All right, so now let's do this again. And we've done a lot of these, so I'm just gonna kind of crank through this one. I think you guys know the scoring process by now. But anyways, I'm gonna set it equal to 0, so I add 5 to both sides. So then I get n squared minus 9n minus, is that 36, you guys? I don't know. If we don't know, we plug it in the calculator to make sure that it's right. So negative 41 plus 5, negative 36, is equal to 0. Next step. Remember, it looks like ax squared plus that looks like a z. I know somebody's going to be like, is that a z? Why is there a z there? All the other ones had 2's. Bx plus c equals 0. All right, so we identify a. What's a?
1.
1. By the way, we're not supposed to be on our cell phones. B is equal to negative 9. C is equal to negative 36. Cool. What's the next step? Who knows the formula? Tell me off the top of your head.
X equals negative b, a plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4 times a and c, and then over 2a.
Very good. All right, now let's plug them in. That's why I have you guys write it down all the time. Yeah, good job. We got to plug in the numbers now. So this is negative 9. Okay. Plus or minus the square root of negative 9 squared minus 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is negative 36, times all over 2 times 1. So then I get x equals positive 9 plus or minus the square root of 81, negative 4 times negative 36, handy dandy calculator, negative 4 times negative 36, 144. I think it's 2. Is that 215 or 2? All over 2. We need to figure out what that is. I think that is 144 plus, what was it? 81, right? All right. 81. Yeah, 225. That's good. Because I think 225 is 15 squared. Let's check. 15 squared. What? You think this is a game? I don't know why you came to school today, but I came to do math. So we got 9 plus or minus the square root of 225. Don't be negative, just be inspired. All right, plus or minus the square root of 225, which is 15, all over 2. Lastly, we're going to separate those. I'm going to say x is equal to 9 plus 15 over 2. 9 plus 15 is 24 over 2, which is 12. Or x is equal to 9 minus 15 all over 2. Is that negative 6?
Yes.
Over 2 is equal to negative 3. So if I graph this, it should cross at negative 3 and 12. Go to my handy dandy calculator. I can't do n squared, but I can do x squared. So I'm going to say x squared minus 9x minus 41 equals negative 5. Whoa. Got to zoom out a little bit. And it does cross at 12. It does cross at negative 3. I don't know what you were thinking. but this is kind of what I do. All right, so now how do I sketch the graph? Yeah, with a pencil, very smart. But how do I know what it looks like? Yeah, see, doing all these problems and me yelling at you every 5 seconds to get off your phones is helping you. So what a student said was, because A is positive, it opens up, right? So it kind of looks like this. You got to make the sound as you sketch it. You're welcome.
Thank you.
-3, comma 0. This one over here is 12, comma 0. Any questions?
No.
No. I'll leave that up for a second.